Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over two altcoins. I'm going to go over Zombie Inu, trade update on that, and then also a new one that may his kind of start to move and may explode higher. So we'll kind of take a look at the chart. So the first thing is Zombie Inu, right? I did an update a couple days ago. We were right around here. Where I say, hey, watch for head and shoulders potentially forming, right? And then it kind of looked like everybody got real bullish and then it reversed and took out those lows right there, right? But what's going on now is now we kind of have the more of a neckline, right? Before it was a slanted neckline. Now it's more of a regular neckline. But with that being said, if we actually take out this 17 level on a zombie that we hit a couple days ago, I think we could go and test the 20 level, and then maybe even get up to the 20. We'll call it the 22 level or something like that. But it could start to potentially start to run and go higher. But we do need to get above this, which would negate pretty much this entire pattern. But not to get ahead of ourselves, but it has to do it. The first probably major level we got to break is this 15, we'll call it 16 level, this little high, because we're right now making lower highs, lower lows. But if this price takes out that, we may be good for a nice run up. Second, I want to give you guys is Son of Shib. I actually talked about this a few weeks ago. I actually bought into it right here around 10. I wrote it all the way up, wrote it all the way back down. But it looks like it's coming back to life right now. So if we kind of just zoom in here and draw, we'll just even from here, right? We actually had a nice falling wedge, right? And now we're kind of breaking out of that falling wedge. If we could get above this 26 level, I think we could actually get all the way back up and retest the 52 level. So keep that on your watch list. Take a look at it. Also, some with Shib, this is the one wrap with Binance, BNB. As far as the zombie one is with the Ethereum contract. So that's it. Just want to do a quick little video for you guys. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.